Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our English class. Our today's topic is sentence. So, we are going to learn about sentence. What is a sentence? A group of words which make complete sense and expresses our thoughts is a sentence. Means a sentence is a group of words that we use to convey our feelings, our emotions, our thoughts. It always have a complete sense. Look at the picture. The girl is speaking to the boy. They are talking. So, when we speak to someone, we speak in complete sentences. Yes, student, whenever we speak to someone, we use complete sentences. Why? So that another child or another person can understand our feelings. Yes. So, when while writing a sentence, we begin it with a capital letter and end with a full stop, exclamation sign, or question mark. So, students, when we write, we start the sentence with the capital letter and we end the sentence with a full stop or exclamation sign or a question mark. Here are some examples for you. Look at the picture. First picture is about peacock. Peacock, wow, beautiful. So, the peacock is a beautiful bird. Next one. Megha is good at drawing. You can see in both the sentences, the peacock is a beautiful bird. Here T is capital and the sentence is ending with the full stop. In another sentence, M is capital and the sentence is ending with a full stop. So both are sentences. Now we will enjoy a song. We will listen a song. Okay, students, so let's start.
Does it start with a capital letter? Are there spaces between the words? Does it tell a whole idea to everyone? Is there a question mark, exclamation mark, or full stop at the end? Well, if these four things are true, then your sentence is done. Does it start with a capital letter? Are there spaces between the words? Does it tell a whole idea to everyone? Is there a question mark, exclamation mark, or full stop at the end? Well, if these four things are true, then your sentence is done. Use a question mark if you need an answer to who, what, when, where, why.
And how?
An exclamation mark if you're excited or mad. And anything that needs explaining, use a full stop if you're just saying. Does it start with a capital letter? Are there spaces between the words? Does it tell a whole idea to everyone? Is there a question mark, exclamation mark, or full stop at the end? Well, if these four things are true, then your sentence is done. Yes, your sentence is done.
So, students, have you enjoyed the song? Yes. So, let's check what you have understood till now. So first one is statements. When a sentence tells us something, it is called a statement. If you are simply telling something to someone, then it will be a statement. A statement always ends with the full stop. This is the identification. This is the identity mark of the statement. How you will identify whether it is a statement? So, in the last of the statement, always full stop will be there. So, a statement always ends with the full stop. For example, Ahmed goes to the beach every Sunday. Here it is starting with A, ending with full stop, and in between all the words space is there. So it is a statement. It is a statement. Next one, the girl is reading a book. Here T is capital. In last full stop is there, and in between the words space is there. So this is also a sentence. Which sentence? It is a statement. Okay, student. Second one is questions. When a sentence asks something, when a sentence asks something, it is called a question. A question always ends with the question mark. Okay, student, if you are asking something to someone, okay, if you are asking something, then it will be a question. A question always ends with a question mark. Okay, students. So, here are some examples for you. Which school do you go to? Here W is capital in the beginning and in last question mark is there. So this is a question. Are we going to the park today? Here A is capital and in last question mark is there, and in between the word space is there. So this is a question. This is a type of a sentence. Which type? Question. So, here first exercise for you. Now, a quick and a small test for you. Here are a group of words. Let's tick the ones that are sentences and cross out those that are not. So, what are the basic things that we have to check in a sentence? First one, the sentence will start with capital letter. So we will see the first word's first letter. If it is capital letter, then our first condition will be fulfilled. Second one is in the last of the sentence, at the end of the sentence, full stop, question mark or exclamation sign will be there. Third one, in between the words, space will be there. And the fourth one, it will tell a whole idea or a whole message. Okay, student? It will have a complete sense. Then only it will be a sentence. So, let's check. First one. There are many books in the library. So here T is capital. Yes, student. In beginning T is capital. In last full stop is there. In between words space is there, and this is giving a complete sense. So it is a sentence. And which type of sentence is this? This is a statement. Next one. Nived has a pet dog. So N is capital. In last full stop is there. In between two words space is there. And this is telling a complete idea, a complete message is given in this sentence. So this is a sentence. Which sentence? Statement. And they, A is capital. In last full stop is there. In between two words space is there, but it is not giving a complete sense. So it is not a sentence. Who is your best friend? W is capital. In last question mark is there. In between the words space is there, and it is giving a complete sense. So it is a statement. It is a sentence. Which sentence? It is a question. Is sharp. I is capital. In last full stop is there. In between space is there, but it is not giving a complete sense. So it is not a sentence. Playing children the are. Here in beginning P is capital. In last full stop is there. In between the words space is there, but here a complete sense is coming. No. So this is not a sentence. Apples are sweet. Here A is capital. In last exclamation sign is there. In between words space is there, and this is giving a complete sense. So this is a sentence. Which sentence? Exclamatory sentence. So students, good, you are able to do this type of questions. So students, for today this much only. Now we will meet in our next class. Till that, take care and enjoy, and be safe and healthy. Stay at home. Bye students.